Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog.
But I've been forgotten, now, Joe. I've been married a long time ago. Where did you come from? Where did you go? Where did you come from, Cotton Eye Joe?
Okay, so what are you doing? I'm really tight. Why did you put it? It looks like deodorant. Wait, it's like tight. Is it deodorant? No, it's TP. Oh. Anyway, but your armpit. Oh yeah, Mia tan today. And that's lick marks. Yeah, because my tongue like sting. I like DP smell. Nice. Oh, I think I might go on naked on the back there. One with the EPQ. Yeah.
Never give up, no, no, no. I won't give up, no, no, no. Let me love you. Let me love you.
We're about to go in.
Last one.
Oh my god, it's out my nose. Same.
Hi guys. They're just what have you done for me lately? Yeah, no, really good.
Hey guys.
That's all. Hello.
Mia's about to do our contemporary silver. We've done really bad at vlogging today. Hey guys! Oh, we have to actually stop. We have to stop. Hey guys. Try again. Let's try again. So, we're about to go. Oh. Okay, we're not doing any introduction. Okay.
So these guys are about to do their jazz trio solos. Hey guys!
Basically, guys, every single time we start a little clip, and we go, hey guys, and it's so annoying to edit out. It just looks so stupid.
Someone said we're not saying anything.
Yeah. Hey guys!
Anyways,
bye guys. Wish us luck!